Hi Pisces, welcome to my channel. This is a general reading for the month of June. Please keep in mind that the general readings and might not resonate with each one of you, so take it as it resonates. Let's see what the month has for you. They're very similar readings for a lot of signs actually, especially water signs. So, I see your energy as Queen of Cups, and Temperance is a need for balance which you don't see. Now, Pisces, I see that you're blocking some things out. You are avoiding some confrontations. You are in a mood to cut people out. I think which all of the water signs are doing this month for some reason. And there's a certain need to end a certain situation which is not bringing you peace, which is bringing you trouble. And then there are offers which are like there are a lot of offers around you this month. A lot of people are wanting you. You are actually right now. I would say that you are needed or wanted this month, Pisces. Let's clarify more. So yes, I think your intuition is telling you that a certain situation is being hidden from you. There are certain things which are not in your favor. People are backstabbing you, and nobody told you this. Your intuition is telling you this, and that is why you are very happily cutting people out or wanting to cut such people. Your intuition is guiding you to do it. Let's clarify some more. In terms of money, you're really holding tight on your money because I think some of you are tight in terms of cash. So finances will improve. A certain person or you will get a certain offer from a mature person, or some good offer which is a very futuristic offer, or which will give you a lot of stability will come to you this month. Some money will look good by the end of the month is what I'm seeing. And because you're holding very tight to the thought that you are carrying, whether it's a job, whether it's a business idea or a creative idea, you're holding very tight to that. Let's clarify some more. So like I said, you have a lot of offers, love offers this month, Pisces, and one of the offers could be a younger person, one could be an older person, somebody who's but in the mid is your energy, where you feel that I don't know, do I really want to put in that much hard work again in a relationship? So you will probably think about it, but offers will definitely make you happy is what I see. And I think all sorts of offer will come to you. Job offers, people will rally around you this month, Pisces. Quick changes, Magician. Death has come twice, so you will end something. You might leave a job, you might leave a situation and move on. And the Emperor coming twice. So a stable offer, like I said, stability is definitely coming your way, provided you move on from what is not serving you, which is why the Death card came twice. So things are bound to change. Good changes are coming this month. Have some conviction in your ideas, in your thoughts, in your own self is what Lord is asking you to do. Be truthful about how you feel, how you think, what you think. And sacrifice doesn't mean you have to let go of your wants and wishes. Sacrifice means that if you need to come you need to compromise on certain things to come on the same page with somebody, by all means do that. But be very sure of what you're doing. Convince yourself before you convince other. Be truthful about it. And yes, you need to leave a lot of things this month before you go on the new path is what I can see. But this month looks really good, because changes are in store for you, and only good changes are in store is all I see, Pisces. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great month. Bye bye.